All right, the drink we're about to make is called Americana. Go ahead and put some ice in a glass. And we're going to throw in just a splash of Jack Daniels and a half a teaspoon of sugar and a dash of bitters. And we're going to fill it up with some champagne. So you should add about 3 ounces of champagne. All right. And you want to carefully pour it into your shaker and just give it a swirl. You just want to try to dissolve the sugar in with everything else. All right. We have a champagne flute. And make sure your champagne is nice and cold for this, too. All right. And we'll strain it in. And that's it. Bottoms up.